I had 9 bags before. Now we're sitting on 4, and I'm gonna knock these out today, and so that later on I have time to do my filming. But we're gonna start here. So I'm gonna do a bag at a time, show you what's in it, and show you how I process the bottles. Now I know you heard of the guy who takes plastic bottles and turns it into gasoline fuel. You know, plastic is oil based, but me, I'm not doing nothing that fancy. I'm just using it as a building material, so we can melt it down and reshape it into anything you want, really. So this is a big pile. This is 8 bags worth. And so the weather's been in and out, so I'm gonna do as much as I can before it starts pouring down. We're using a Bonzai Shredder, and I talked about this Bonzai Shredder in this video here, so if you want to check that out, just click on the link above. And then we have, all we're gonna need is some scissors, a box cutter, and a pair of pliers. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. First bag. See that? Up some. I could just use this bottle. I already cut the top off of it. Get your razor blade. You want to split it like a flower, 4 sides from the corner. I do it quick because I've been doing it for a while, handling a knife or razor blade. It's real easy once you get a rhythm. Okay, just like that. When you split it, it's gonna look like a flower. Alright. Just like that. Now you can mill down the bottoms, or however they design it so it's really tough. So you can just burn these or shred these. I just throw them away. I don't need them. Take your scissors, cut the ends off. Alright, and then we just shred it. That's it. Alright, now let me show you this. I got the drop cord running from the solar fan. It's running on straight solar, and the shredder is going to be running on straight solar. So now we on solar, using that free electric. All right, these type of trays, what I like to do is cut it like a pizza slice. All you got to do, cut it down the middle. Now if you want to see what you can make with the shredded plastic, just click on this video up here. You'll see some of the videos where I made some blanks, I made buttons from it, all kind of stuff. You can pretty much make anything with plastic, almost anything. Furniture, and everything. This piece of plastic. Gotta be more careful with this kind of plastic. It is very sharp. Plastic all different. I enjoy doing this type of stuff, recycling, making old things new, turning trash to treasure. I always love doing that type of stuff, figuring out how things work, and you'd be amazed what you can do once you put your mind to it. Sometimes you gotta just try things. Don't be scared. Alright, so the label, you can melt that one too. Now this ring right here is black. I can take that off and add some color to my design. So I'm gonna keep that little black ring just like that. Put that in the bucket. Caps, you can save those. Put that in the bucket. You're gonna cut it the same way. Now these you can cut like a loop. If you don't like that little leaf method, I'm gonna cut it in a loop so you can see that. That's how you make your storage bins. Heat shrink tubing, same thing. Cut it in a loop. You don't have to pay for heat shrink. Get you some straws, add some heat to it. It'll shrink down, tighten up on your cords. You don't need it. Alright. Put that in there. So now we got our loop. See? Just like the heat shrink tubing video I did. So you got a loop now. Now, some people like to remove the labels. You can. If you want a really clean result, you want to organize your colors, but right now we're just getting the bulk down. And that's it. The bottoms are always the hardest piece. So I just toss those out. But I mean, if you want to spend the time cutting it down, you can get it close if you want to. Okay. So at this part of the video, I'm gonna speed it up. I'm gonna do a speed run, and then I'm gonna talk about something else at the end of this.